आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ कैसे आप एफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस को नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में एंड नेगेटिव सेंटेंस को एफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस में विदाउट चेंजिंग इट्स मीनिंग चेंज कर सकते हैं विद अ नंबर ऑफ रूल्स एंड एग्जाम्पल्स। हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज पूजा रॉय एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ऑनलाइन शिक्षा दीक्षा। मैं हूँ आपकी एजुकेटर, मेंटर एंड मोटिवेटर। मैं एजुकेशनल मोटिवेशनल वीडियोस लेकर आती रहती हूँ। डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड एजुकेशनल वीडियोस होते हैं, संस्कृत, इंग्लिश एंड डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स टू। अभी मैंने ग्रामर का एक पूरा कोर्स स्टार्ट किया है। आई हैव ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड विद लेसन 1 and 2। दिस टाइम वी आर गोइंग फॉर लेसन 3 एंड इट्स रिगार्डिंग दिस। अगर आपको मेरे वीडियोस अच्छे लगते हैं, इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगते हैं, तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन so that you can get the notification of the next video. Also like and share to my videos. Don't forget to comment. So let's start. Sentence में यूज किए गए keywords के एंटोनिम की हेल्प से आप affirmative को negative में and negative को affirmative में convert कर सकते हैं. Let's try to understand this rule with an example. She is innocent. Now the keyword is innocent. Opposite of innocent is guilty. So we'll make the sentence as she is not guilty. Next is man is mortal. The negative of mortal means the antonym of mortal will be immortal and we'll apply not before it. So it will be man is not mortal. She is always happy. Happy will become unhappy and always will become never. So she is always happy. She is never unhappy. Now we'll convert the negative into affirmative one. Nobody will deny it. Nobody, the opposite one will be everybody. And deny, it will be admit. So nobody will deny it. It will be everybody will admit it. How did I change the negative into affirmative? Just to use the affirmative word. Next is, he is not honest. This is a negative sentence because it is having not. To convert into affirmative, we'll again take the antonym of this one and we'll remove the negative word here. So the sentence will be, he is dishonest. Never tell a lie. Never will convert into always, and tell a lie means lie, opposite is truth. So never tell a lie, the sentence will be, always speak the truth. My wife is not always foolish. So here, what the sentence will be? Foolish means wise, always sometimes. So my wife is not always foolish. My wife is sometimes wise. Maths में आपने पढ़ा होगा ना? Negative negative makes it positive. The rule applies here. Affirmative sentence को negative sentence में convert करने के लिए कभी कभी हम दो नेगेटिव सेंस वाले वर्ड्स को यूज करते हैं, उनका इस्तेमाल करते हैं। जस्ट ऑपोजिट टू दैट, नेगेटिव सेंटेंस को एफर्मेटिव में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हम उन दो नेगेटिव वर्ड्स को रिमूव कर देते हैं। सो लेट्स टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ एफर्मेटिव इनटू नेगेटिव सेंटेंस। ही इज वाइज। नाउ वाइज विल एड टू नेगेटिव वर्ड्स हियर एंड व्हिच आर दोस टू वर्ड्स? Not without. So it will be, he is not without wisdom. He tried every plan. Tried will be untried and every means no. So he tried every plan. He left no plan untried. Everyone loves you. There is another way how to write it. There is no one who does not love you or who doesn't love you. Every rose has a thorn. So there is no rose without a thorn. So in these two last sentences we found we are using the word there is no one, there is no rose. So this is the way we can convert an affirmative sentence into negative one. He is not without money. Not and without. There are two negative words used here. जब हम उसे affirmative में convert करेंगे, we'll remove all these new means negative words. He has money. There is no good man without certain principles. So here there is no good, so every. Remember always when there is no, it is mentioned. So we have to start the sentence in affirmative form with the word every. So there is no good man without certain principles. Every good man has certain principles. He did not leave any notebook uncorrected. Uncorrected will be corrected. Let's see. He corrected all the notebooks. Now, there is no such kind of rule which is being followed here. The thing is only the negative words have been removed and we have added the positive words to make it affirmative. Let's take one more example. There is no gain without risk. No, there is no. So we'll use every instead of that, and every gain has risk. अगर किसी affirmative sentence में only, alone, as soon as, whenever, when जैसे words का इस्तेमाल किया गया है, तो अगर आप इसे negative में convert करना चाहते हैं ना, so remove these words and instead of replace these words with none but, no sooner than, never but, respectively. So let's take an example, means a number of examples. मैं ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा examples का इस्तेमाल कर रही हूँ so that आपको concept clear होगा. Now, first example is, only a fool would behave like this. यहाँ पे देखिए only word का इस्तेमाल किया गया है. So हमने देखा only की जगह पे हम none का इस्तेमाल करेंगे and we'll use the word but. None but a fool would believe or behave like this. Only a coward would flee from his duty. None but a coward would flee from his duty. Just what I did. Only की जगह पे none but का इस्तेमाल किया and rest will remain the same. Only graduates need apply. None but graduates need apply. As soon as we reached the station, the train whistled off. Now, as soon as की जगह पे हम इस्तेमाल करेंगे no sooner than का. So, no sooner did we reach the station, then the train whistled off. Whenever I see her, I am reminded of my beloved. So, here, whenever की जगह पे हम use करेंगे never but. I never see her, but I am reminded of my beloved. Now let's take the example of negative to affirmative sentence. The sentences are going to have the words like none, no sooner than, never, but. So let's take none, but Ram can do it. Instead of none but, we'll use only, and it will be only Ram can do it. None but the brave deserves the fair. So here, only the brave deserves the fair. No sooner had they heard the bell than they ran away. So the sentence will be, as soon as they heard the bell, they ran away. It never rains, but pours. It always pours when it rains. To fail इस verb को use करके, add करके आप affirmative sentence को negative sentence में convert कर सकते हैं. वैसे ही to fail को remove करके आप negative को affirmative में convert कर सकते हैं. Let's try to understand this through a number of examples. I see the red fort. I do not fail to see the red fort. इसमें just focus करना है the tense. अगर see है तो do और does का इस्तेमाल होगा. अगर saw है तो did का इस्तेमाल होगा. I played the game. This is past tense. So here will apply I did not fail to play the game. She will help the poor orphan. She will not fail to help the poor orphan. Now let's take some example of negative to affirmative. He did not fail to see the Taj Mahal. So he saw the Taj Mahal. यहाँ हमने not fail को remove कर दिया. He did not catch the ball. So he failed to catch the ball. Now, he did not fail to appear at the examination. He appeared at the examination. Means जिसमें fail है उसको remove करना है, जिसमें नहीं है उसमें add करने से आप एफर्मेटिव को नेगेटिव में एंड नेगेटिव को एफर्मेटिव में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं। आपने डिग्रीज ऑफ कंपैरिजन तो पढ़ा ही होगा। ऐसे सेंटेंसेस जिसमें डिग्रीज ऑफ कंपैरिजन का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है उसमें एडजेक्टिव या एडवर्ब के डिग्रीज ऑफ कंपैरिजन को आप चेंज करके एफर्मेटिव को नेगेटिव में एंड नेगेटिव को एफर्मेटिव में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं। लेट्स टेक फ्यू एग्जांपल्स। सीता इज मोर ब्यूटिफुल देन गीता। अब हमें इसे कन्वर्ट करना है। नाउ गीता is not as beautiful as Sita. London is richer than any other city in the world. We'll change into this. No other city in the world is as rich as London. इन sentences में हमने क्या किया? जो comparative था उसे positive में convert किया and जो superlative है उसे हमने positive में convert किया। इस तरह से चेंज करने से वो एफर्मेटिव से नेगेटिव में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है। नाउ लेट्स टेक फ्यू एग्जांपल्स ऑफ नेगेटिव। अगला सेंटेंस जो है वो पॉजिटिव डिग्री में है, दैट इज रवि इज नॉट एज रिच एज राज। सो राज इज रिचर देन रवि। पॉजिटिव से कंपैरेटिव डिग्री में कन्वर्ट कर दिया। ही इज नॉट वाइजर देन यू, यू आर एज वाइज एज ही। यहाँ ही को यूज किया है, नॉट हिम। देयर फ्यू सेंटेंसेस वेयर वी यूज TOO। यस, ऐसे सेंटेंसेस में जब टू का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है तो हमें उसे नेगेटिव में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए टू को रिमूव करना पड़ता है। लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल। द न्यूज इज टू गुड टू बी ट्रू मीन्स द न्यूज इज सो गुड दैट इट कैन नॉट बी ट्रू। Now let's take a few examples of negative word. So here we find his services cannot be forgotten. So here we'll apply his services have been too great to be forgotten. Means so good work he had. अभी तक जो मैंने आपको रूल्स बताए या कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स के थ्रू आपको समझाने की कोशिश की, इसके अलावा भी कई ऐसे सेंटेंसेस होते हैं वेयर यू आर नॉट अप्लाइंग अ स्पेसिफिक रूल। कोई स्पेसिफिक रूल नहीं होता है एंड उसके बिना ही आप उसे एफर्मेटिव टू नेगेटिव एंड नेगेटिव को एफर्मेटिव में आप कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, ट्रांसफॉर्म कर सकते हैं। सो हियर वी हैव सम सेंटेंसेस। माई ब्रदर इज अ गुड सिंगर। माई ब्रदर इज नो मीन अ सिंगर। ही इज यूनिक। Nothing is like this. He abstains from wine. He does not take wine. All the women wept. There was no woman but wept. Means everybody wept. He seldom goes there. He does not go there very often. Two sisters are alike. The two sisters are not unlike each other. So what did we find? Just went through the meaning of the sentence and we try to convert it into negative sentence without changing its meaning. Let's see some other example of negative to affirmative. She is no fool. She is a clever woman. Don't make a noise. Keep quiet. There is nothing similar in the world. Everything is dissimilar in the world. Don't smoke. Refrain from smoking. So what happened here? There is not a such specific rule which was applied here. Instead of that, we just try to make it into affirmative or negative just by understanding the meaning of the following sentences, of the given sentences. So dear students, always remember, a number of times you will find that you are there to convert it into negative sentence with the help of some rules, but there are a number of times we are not in need of any rule. Just what you need to understand the meaning of the sentence, and the basis of that only you have to convert it into negative or affirmative. Just make sure the meaning of the sentence should not check. For that you need to cross check when you are changing it from affirmative to negative and from negative to affirmative. Now is the time for your exercise. Here I am going to share a number of questions with you and you people have to solve them and you have to check how much did you understand from this exercise? Here we go for the exercise, and yes, I do request those who have liked the videos, thank you so much for that. If you went through the video and you found it useful for you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please share to others. Also write in the comment box because it is going to help me a lot. I'll be motivated. Thank you so much.